What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a whole new video. Feels good to be back in another human made video for you all. I hope y'all like the ambiance that's going on in here. I hope the feng shui is on 100 for y'all. Before we begin, I'd like to say RIP to Young Dolph and RIP to fucking Virgil Abloh. We lost two dope guys, one in the music industry and the other in the fashion. It just sucks to see them go the way they did. And my condolences go out to their family, friends, loved ones, all that. It sucks we lost two staples in the culture with like back to back within like a month's time. So it sucks a lot. But with that being said, we got some human made stuff I'm gonna show you all that I've been picking up for the last couple of months. It ain't a lot of stuff, it's just things here and there that I wanted to pick up. Let's get into the video. Let's get into it. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna start small and build our way up. So first thing first, as you see me shaking something, as you all will know in a second, is the Curry Up Man snow globe. I picked this up because I got another snow globe upstairs. I sold one that I had before. I think it was a duck snow globe. I sold that one because I had an extra. So I got this one, so I got 3 snow globes now. I have the polar bear, the duck, and now the Curry Up guy, the chef. Cop this just to have some more little trinkets and things like that for the house. Can't go wrong with this. Yeah. I don't know much to say about it, but oh yeah, I got new glasses, y'all. Y'all ain't noticed? Got new glasses. I don't know how I feel need frames yet. But we're gonna rock out with these new frames. But yeah, caught the snow globe probably like 2 months ago, damn near. And yeah, I like these little things. I hope they keep doing this and bring out different characters that they did. Like they've been coming out with, like the bulldog, well, we got the polar bear, the bulldog, the civet cat. What else? I know I'm missing something, but I like to see them drop more of these snow globe with different animals and stuff that they've been dropping on like their t-shirts and hoodies and things like that. So this is one of the items that I caught. So let's go to the next one. I think, yeah, this is the next thing that I caught, and I had got this one. This is my most recent pickup from Human Made, which would be these right here. The duck socks. I thought these were just so dope. I already told you all that I picked these up back in, what it was, I picked these up like last week they dropped, and I told y'all in my video that I had picked these up and I had to get these. Of course, it got like a little duck face on them, so you put them on, look like a somewhat of a duck face. And I've been wearing a lot of like socks lately. As you can see right here, the Human Made like long socks. I've been wearing them with my crop pants, just show off my socks if you haven't heard me say that before. Reason being I've been doing that because I just want to give my outfit a little bit more flair to it and a little bit more pizzazz and shit like that. So I thought these was really cool because we got like these warm earth tone colors. We got that brown, we got that white, and it says Human Made right here around this band. Shut up, it's Moon. What is he doing? And we got this regular like green, yellow, and black. So I will be wearing these when, I don't know, but I had to cop these to put them in my sock collection. Now I will be building up my sock collection even more. So y'all can expect more socks from me. And I really do like these. I haven't put them on yet, so I can't really tell y'all how they fit. But I have some B-roll for y'all that like have them on my feet so y'all can see how they look on feet. So that's it for this. And the next thing that I got from Human Made, which I was, look at this, look at this. Bam, here in your arcade. Jesus, this guy's everywhere. But anyway, this is what I caught from Human Made. They got the Curry Up pillow. I had to cop this. They had I think they got a bigger version of this, but I decided to go with a smaller version. And we got this light brown on one side, and you have like this darker brown on the other. So it just says Curry Up, and I've been putting this on my bed more than anything. But bro, what is you doing, bro? This cat, yo, anybody want to adopt a cat? JD, I know this your cat, but anybody want to adopt him, y'all can have him for free shipping and everything. I'll bring him to you. I'll drive to you and bring him to you. Just kidding. But anyway, had to cop these pillows, and I'm gonna say one thing. These pillows are really comfortable. I had this one for a minute, and I've been laying on it, haven't lost its like the puffiness, and it haven't been going flat on me like most pillows would do. And yeah, I would highly suggest whoever want to pick up a Human Made pillow, these pillows will get you right. I'm telling you, these pillows will get you right. And I do plan on buying a lot more of these because I feel like, well, when I get my own spot and I have my like own setup, like my own shooting, like my room that I shoot in, I plan on getting all the pillows that I picked up, just throw them in in a corner or in the middle of the room. So when I have company over, or if I'm shooting a video, I can just lay on the pillows, like a bunch of pillows and stuff like that. Yeah, I copped this and I plan on buying a lot more, not just from Human Made, but from other brands as well, because I have seen some dope pillows from some other brands that I've been seeing that I do plan on picking up. I may do a video on that sooner or later, on some pillows that I want to get, and probably show y'all the ones that I did get. Yeah, we got one more pillow, and then we got one more item after that. This is like a really light Human Made drop of things that I've been picking up. I really haven't been buying much because I've been saving up money for my clothing brand, Temple. Shameless plug, might as well get into it. If you haven't checked already, please go check out my brand, Temple. Link down below to the website and Instagram. So if y'all want to follow me on Instagram, please do that. Hit like the pictures, share the pictures, buy something, support. I don't care. Just, you know, just show your boys some support. We talk about Human Made all day. Can I get some support? But I need y'all to support your boy like y'all support the other brands. I ain't asking for a lot. They not really going for a lot either. The hoodies are $60. So $60 compared to Human Made hoodies, $300. You do the math. But anyway, we're gonna get to the next pillow. So the last pillow that I picked up from Human Made would be this bad boy right here. Yes, sir. This dude probably about 3 feet tall. I don't know, let me back up a little bit so y'all can see the whole thing. I think that's the best I can get it in the frame, but yeah, this dude about like 3 feet tall. I'm 6'3", so yeah. Yeah, I've been having this on my bed. Again, I had this longer than the curry up, and I've been laying on this shit a lot, just like rolling over like on it and like just sleeping on it, and it hasn't lost like the cushion in it, and it haven't lost its like puffiness. So, you know, just keeping its form how it should be, like unlike most pillows. But I would highly suggest whomever like in the Human Made pillows. I think this is still up on the website, and I paid probably like, I forgot how much I paid, but it wasn't much. I decided to go with the big one. I decided to go with the bigger version instead of the smaller version because I already got like other little smaller like pillows. So like, let me get a bigger pillow since I already have like the other smaller pillows. So this is the one I went for, and I'm glad that I bought it. Let me just get past like the puffiness of this, but let's just like the print on this is A1 steak sauce, and that's the only kind of steak sauce that I really use on my steak. But the print on this is on point. I don't see any like any errors in it. It's just perfect, and I feel like if you wash it, it's still gonna hold. Would you even wash this, or would you steam this? How would you clean this? Also on the back, it says curry up on his back, and yeah. Dope pillow, quality A1, print A1, highly suggest picking up. So last but not least, we got my item that I've been waiting on to show y'all. I haven't even taken out the package yet. I took it out the box, but I haven't taken out the package. I just wanted to save it just for y'all. So let me get that for you. So if you watch my outdoors collection video that I did, I already told y'all what it was that I had picked up in that video that I'm gonna be showing in this one. So as you can see, I got my second Human Made blanket. And I'm telling y'all, every time they drop these blankets, I will be copping. They dropped 2 versions of this blanket, and I got like the second version, because the first version, it's just a flip on the colors of the one that I already have upstairs that they dropped, I think, either early this year or late last year. That one sold out, but this one is still in stock if y'all want to buy it from the last time that I had checked. So this was probably like 110, which ain't bad. Like for the quality of these blankets, it's not bad. But enough talking, and let me just, man, listen, bro. Are y'all listening to me right now? This right here, bro. This right here, I feel like this is one of my favorite pieces that I copped. I ain't say one of my favorite pieces that I copped this year. This blanket just fire, man. It is really, really dope, especially with these colors. You got that Native American print on it, and these colors just popping, and they are bold at the same time. And you just cannot go wrong with that. Of course, we got the Human Made heart with the 3 stripes on top. Man, listen, man. Man. Yo. But anyway, we're gonna finish the video off like this. I greatly appreciate all the support that I've been getting from you all. I really do appreciate you all. And I hope y'all actually stick around and watch the whole video. That goes a long way, especially for my channel, because the more time, like the longer y'all watch, the quicker I can get like to my watch time, getting to where I need it to be, and get my subscribers to 1,000. I'm close to 1,000. I'm at 740 right now. From the time I shot this video. Like these past 2 years been really fun shooting these videos and things like that. Now, like I wanna push more. Of course, I'm gonna show my brand a little bit more. I'm gonna be showing more of my design work of me designing things for Human Made and my brand. So y'all can expect more of those videos. I'm trying to pull back on certain content because I had overdid it with all the content that I wanted to drop, that I thought I was gonna drop this year, but my job was like, nah, bro, that's not gonna happen. You don't got enough time for all that. So I'm just gonna bring it back a little bit with how much content I drop on, like, depending on the subject matter. So I'm gonna do a lot more design stuff, dealing with Human Made, like sketches and stuff I've been drawing up. And I'm gonna show y'all some stuff from Temple. The stuff I'm gonna show y'all from Temple, it may or may not see the light of day. And you never know when you may see that print. So if you see me design something from Temple, you may think it's gonna drop soon, and it may not. But it may drop soon, you just never know. It just depends on how. Just because you see me design something with Temple may not see the light of day, but it's so much more y'all can expect from my brand. My brand gonna be very random at times, but exciting at the same time. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate all the support. Catch y'all in the next video. Mac out. Peace.